Hi everybody! In this video, we will demonstrate the filtering control capabilities. Let's filter the dataset by retail categories. Open the filter view by clicking the field's name or using the field's context menu. Depending on your data source and the field's type, you can filter the field by members and values. Let's start with filtering by the members label. You can choose a filtering condition and enter a value for it. Then click Apply to save the configuration. As you can see, now the grid displays only the data of the retail categories that start with the letter C. Now let's display only the top 3 countries. When filtering by value, you can choose a measure to filter by, a filtering condition, and enter a value for it. Now only the top 3 countries by the sum of sales are displayed. Also, there's a filtering for status that I want to change. To reset the filter settings, click Clear Filter in the lower right corner of the subview. A, E, Z, and Z, A toggle buttons sort field members in alphabetical and reverse alphabetical orders. To display members in unsorted order, deselect an active toggle. You can also choose which members to show on the grid and charts via the field members list. To select or deselect all members at once, use the Select All checkbox. Then select the needed members manually. You can also use a search box. The dataset was shrunk and the grid shows only the resolved and shipped products we chose before. Use a member's context menu to hide the member or show only its data. Now we see the data only for Australia. And you are ready to go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.